This is how you make a delicious caramelized pork belly. The pork is so tender and it tastes amazing, especially with this sticky and flavorful sauce. So here are all the ingredients that you need for this recipe. Now let's prep all the ingredients before we start cooking. First, use your mortar and pestle to crush 3 tablespoons of comport pepper. In case you don't have it, you can use black pepper instead. Then add in 1 head of garlic and crushing them together with the pepper. Keep crushing them until they look like what I'm showing you right now. After that, cut the pork belly into 1-inch cubes, or maybe bigger than that if you want, because when cooking the pork belly normally shrinks. That's why you need to cut it into large cubes. So everything has been prepared right now. It's time to start cooking. First, start searing all the pork cubes. You don't need to put oil in the pork belly, it's oily enough. Keep searing them until they have a nice color, then you can take them out. After that, place your pot over a very low heat and then add in 2 tablespoons of palm sugar into it. Make sure that you constantly stir it until its color turns into almost dark red. Then you have to immediately add in 2 tablespoons of fish sauce to prevent the sugar from burning. Mix them well for about 10 seconds. Then you can subsequently put in the pounded comport pepper and garlic into the pot and continue stirring them for about 20 seconds. Then you can add in half tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. After that, you can add in the pork belly and continue stirring them until all the pork cubes are covered with the sauce. Then you can add in the dry daylily flowers into it. Keep stirring them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can add in the coconut water into the pot. Make sure you don't add too much coconut water. It must be at just the same level of the pork. Then you can put the lid on and leave it cook in a very low heat for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, it is ready to serve and you can enjoy it. You must try this recipe and I promise you that you will definitely love it. Thank you for watching. Please have like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Have a nice weekend. Bye.